Most moisturizers promise hydration, but for a lot of people, that's not enough. If you have acne-prone skin with rough texture, uneven skin tone, or redness, then a simple cream that just sits on the top of your face does not really solve the problem. What your skin needs is a moisturizer that does more than just moisturize. Something that hydrates, repairs, calms, and supports long-term skin health without clogging pores, without feeling greasy, and without triggering breakouts. That's where a formula like Crème B3-B5-E with 4% niacinamide comes in. This is a lightweight, non-greasy, non-comedogenic moisturizer designed to work with almost every skin type. Dry, oily, combination, sensitive, and especially acne-prone skin. Instead of being built around heavy occlusives that suffocate the skin, a clinically sensible combination that focuses on barrier repair, hydration, and overall skin function. The texture is intentionally light. As you apply it, it spreads easily and absorbs quickly, and leaves behind a soft, hydrated finish, not a shiny, oily layer. Skin feels comfortable, not coated. The formula's core is 4% niacinamide, is effective but gentle, unlike higher percentages that can irritate sensitive or acne-prone skin. It helps even skin tone and fade post-acne marks, refine pores and strengthen the barrier, quietly improving texture and redness with everyday use. With it, panthenol adds deep hydration and soothing comfort, especially helpful if you use actives like exfoliating acid and retinoids. Vitamin E offers antioxidant protection against daily environmental stress, while glycerin draws in moisture that keeps your skin soft and hydrated. Together, these ingredients create a moisturizer that hydrates, repairs, and calms your skin, behaving more like a daily treatment than a basic cream. It's not an overnight fix. It improves skin gradually and consistently. The formula is fragrance-free, gentle, pregnancy-safe, and fungal acne-safe, making it suitable for even sensitive skin. It fits easily into any routine after cleansing and serums, before sunscreen, and as your final step at night. It layers well, doesn't pill, and doesn't leave a greasy finish. If you want to know more about this product, visit our website and see you in the next video.